Alright, I'll just open the plastic and get back to you. Yep, so got rid of the plastic. Now let's see if I can open it with only one hand. Open already. Let's see if I can find a different angle. Yep, this one's better. Wow, it looks quite stylish. But what are you doing here? Alright, so there you go. Looks pretty stylish, I must say. Let's see what else have we got in the box. So there's the speaker. Oh wow, it comes with a cable. I reckon that's USB-C. What else is in there? The manual and the charger. So it has pretty much everything that you need. Alright, so I'll plug it in and give you guys a quick sound check.
No, I gotta leave it all behind before it's bedtime. I can see them turning out the lights, but I won't fight so near to midnight. Maybe I'll hide my head inside.
I was wondering to get a small speaker just to listen to some background music when I'm at my computer, and I think this will do the job. It has pretty good bass. I wouldn't say too great, but it would do the job for me. And at the price range, I think it's a pretty good device to get. So let's see how it turns out to be. So far so good, pretty impressed. Alright, see you guys next time. Ciao.